channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to do this cute hairstyle, perfect for any special event or party. Let's start.
First of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just one drop all along the hair and especially in the ends. Perfect. Now we can comb the hair and it will be so shiny and ready to start our hairstyle. I'm going to do a division on one side of the head, and now from here I'm going to start braiding. We're going to do a Dutch braid crossing the outside strands under the middle one, and in here I'm going to start adding hair to the braid. Now from the other side, cross the strand under the middle one, add hair to the braid, and from the other side cross the strand under and add hair to the braid. We're going to do the braid diagonally, so we're going to keep braiding and adding hair until we are just behind the ear. Perfect. In here I'm going to do some more stitches of the braid and hold it with an elastic. For the next step, we're going to need a piece of ribbon. I have this one. As you can see, is not too thick. You can choose your favorite color, and we're going to start picking up a piece of hair from here, split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to wrap the middle section with the ribbon. So we're going to start our braid, crossing the top strand under the next one, and now over the ribbon. Now take this strand and cross it over the second one and under the ribbon. Again, we start crossing the top strand under the next one. In here, we're going to grab a small piece of hair and add it to the braid. Now cross this strand over the ribbon. And from the other side, grab the strand, cross it over the next one, and add hair to the braid from this side. Perfect. Now cross the strand under the ribbon, and we're going to start again from the top. Cross the strand under, we're going to add hair, and now cross it over the ribbon. From the other side, we're going to cross the strand over the next one, add hair to the braid, and now cross the strand under the ribbon. Let's do it one more time. Cross the top strand under the next one. We're going to add a piece of hair, and now pass the strand over the ribbon. Perfect. From the other side then, we're going to grab the outer strand and cross it over the next one. Add hair to this strand and pass it under the ribbon. Perfect. We're going to keep braiding, doing the same steps over and over again until we are on the other side of the head and we have added the remaining hair. Perfect. I almost finished here, so I'm going to hold this braid with an elastic, and then we're going to join the braids and hold them together with a regular bend. Good. Now we can take off these elastics I'm going to cut the remaining ribbon. Next, we're going to do the bow, so we're going to grab a piece of hair, not too thick from the ponytail, and with an elastic band, we're going to wrap this section several times until we feel it's pretty tight. So in here, I'm going to pass the hair, but not completely. Twist the elastic, and now do the other half of the bow. We're going to grab now a small piece of hair from the ponytail, and we're going to cover the regular band. To hold this piece of hair, we're going to grab another small section and hold them together with an elastic. For the next step, you will need a topsy tail. If you don't have one, you can use bun pins. Now we're going to pass it underneath the bow. Grab another small section of hair. I'm going to use another bun pin. Pass this strand of hair through the loop of the other bun pin. Now that we have it like this, we're going to pull the bun pin to the other side. And to hold this piece of hair, we're going to grab another small section and hold them with an elastic. To fix the bow, I'm going to apply some hairspray and fix the flyaways with a comb. With the remaining hair, you can do whatever you want. In here, I did some soft waves, and here we have this cute hairstyle.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next week. Bye!